All right, guys, so we're doing a bunch of tile, flagstone inside the house. So a former masonry used to live here, so he just went off on the stone. So new owners, and yeah, it's about time they said to get it all cleaned up. You can tell the kitchen is probably the worst area, bathrooms and stuff like that. But yeah, going ahead and getting it going. We did knock out this one room here. And this was black. I wish I would have got it before. And yeah, doing some scrubbing. I already pre-sprayed this room in the bathroom over there. And I'll work my way out. And right now I'm going to start off with a little hand spinner. Yeah, so it's a lot of square footage. Typically the whole house is this, so it's a small house, but everything is tile. So yeah, we're gonna get going, starting on this. All right, nice and rinsed out. Everything's gonna be dark until it dries out. All right, so what I do ahead of him, I'm pre-spraying. So I'm going around hitting the edges with this, my edger brush. Okay. In areas I can't get with the big scrubber, especially on the grout lines. And by the time he gets to me, I should be already done prepping the room. So I'm prepping the room pretty much, right? All the hard work done is really the prep. The rinse is easy. As long as the prep is good, the rinse is easy. Same with carpet cleaning. As long as the prep is good, the rinse is easy. A lot of people think actual rinsing is the part where we're extracting, or cleaning is the part where we're extracting it out. Well, all we're doing really is we're rinsing out all the dirt we just brought off the fiber or off the grout lines. Right? All right, so we're working our way out of here. All the back area is done, all the bathrooms. So we're gonna kind of work out like this and then work out as far as the cleaning goes. So what this is a peroxide right here. And being this is stone, very porous, and you know, it gets water stains. So what I like to do, and this is really nothing that nobody's ever taught me, just kind of figure it out, you know. Go ahead and treat it for water stains. First thing I do is I spray this down, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll put my pre-spray down and do my thing. So it's a kitchen. I did that to both bathrooms too. Wherever I'm gonna see this dark stuff, I hear, you know, water, spills, a lot of organic stains. I don't think I'm gonna need that anymore. Looks like a little bit of organic there though. All right, so I pre-sprayed everything here with our pre-spray. I'm not gonna tell you what the pre-spray is, guys. Actually, I'm not gonna give you too many. Every now and then I'm gonna leave some information out so you can comment down below and ask me what it is, okay? That helps my the algorithm and for more activity. They got all my videos, better YouTube thinks they like it. So, so it's gonna help me out. And that's kind of bit me in the butt, right? In the last, I don't know, 4 years, because I do that. And that's why my channel hasn't grown as big as it should, I believe. So that's the black brush, standard black brush. It seems to work just fine for my tile cleaning, pre-scrubbing. But this machine actually does a lot more. It actually cleans too. You got a pad driver. Yeah. So you can put different pads on there. As you can tell, I had this on here for hardwood floor cleaning. Battery operated. Love it. Beautiful. So we're gonna do some more drying, and when it's dry, we're gonna put on the seal and work our way out of here. So we use the solvent sealer. If you want to know what that is, comment below. Yeah, it's gonna brighten up, looking beautiful. The top of this, the stone itself, I mean, just brightened up as we went over it. It's like, wow. So it's gonna be beautiful. But as far as grout lines, tomorrow, end of the day tomorrow, we always let the customers know. That's when you're gonna see the final results. Because when we put the seal down, it's gonna get dark again. So, you know, it's just, they're not gonna see immediate results, unfortunately, not like carpets, right? But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. We're gonna go ahead and load everything up. Like I said, wait a little bit, do some more drying, and then seal our way out.